Hello and welcome friends, I am a digital mentor Ankit in Aanav. So today's video is a very short video, so please watch this video till end. So let's get started our new topic about being understood abroad for the digital marketing customers. So before start, just subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. Like this video as of now, let's get started. Understood abroad. Have you been thinking about marketing your products or services to potential customers who live in other regions and speak other languages? If you have them, you have probably wondered how to take the first step. This is where translated and localized content comes in. In this video, we will explain the difference between translation and localization and how to do it right. Imagine you own an antique shop that specializes in Indian souvenirs and you are ready to sell your products and services to customers in other markets as well. You have done your homework and you think Bangladesh and Sri Lanka would be a great place to sell your products. Start by thinking about the countries you want to market to. How will Bangladesh and Sri Lanka customers discover your products? Through advertising, search engines, social networks. These are the major key patterns. Chances are it will be a combination of all the terms. To help your website appeal to customers in different countries, you need to think about two things: translation and localization. Translation is the process of changing your content from one language to another. After all, when potential customers in new market find your website, you want them to be able to understand what it says. But simply translating content might not be enough. Words and phrases that work in a Sri Lanka market may not resonate with the Bangladesh audience. Localization is the process that makes locals feel like you speak their language. For example, you might want to make sure your translated website reflects that region's units of measure, currency and addresses. You might want to change the website navigation. You might even change specific cultural references to feel local to the customers you are marketing to. It seems like a fair bit to think about, but there are many companies and freelancers out there who specialize in exactly this type of work, etc. Once your site is translated and localized, it's worth the effort to have a native speaker review the work. To sum up, branching out of your home market is an important step for growing your business. Translating and localizing your website can help potential customers find you and understand what you have to offer. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.